Every morning he sat on this bench, waiting, not for the sunrise, not for peace, but for her. They met here when they were just 17. Two strangers, one summer, one bench. They talked every day, told each other everything, and fell quietly in love. But life isn't always kind to young love. Her family moved away. There were no phones, no promises, only a note. Meet me at the bench every year on June 12th. I'll come back, I promise. She never came, but he waited. Year after year, rain or shine. People called him foolish, lonely, but he called it love 38 years later. She finally came. Life kept them apart, but love brought her back. She never forgot. She just got lost. And when she found herself again, she found her way back to him. Some love stories don't need fireworks or fancy endings. Just one bench, one promise, and someone who never stops believing. Please watch video till end, most satisfying rug cleaning.